Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the $2 mark. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 2, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to somehow stay above that $2 mark, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout area, and that sits down there at $1.80. So $2 and $1.80 are the two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, because I get it, this line's way down there and the price is way up there. But over time, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above $2 would be great. However, from the big picture point of view, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward. The sellers and the party stop today right up there at $2.17. So 217 will be public enemy number one going into the remainder of the week. Still 3 days left. So we'll see how this chart continues to play out. But yeah, any way you look at it, very powerful move today. So let's see if the bulls can start to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.